Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. This is an update to the vegetable seeds that I started for the summer garden. This isn't an in-depth video, but I wanted to show that the seeds did germinate, the seedlings were planted outside in the garden, and they did well. The sugar snaps did okay this year, but I plan on doubling the amount I grow next year. The squash looks good and healthy, and we got some extra volunteers to grow. I was trying out container gardening, but I think 5-gallon buckets would have been better. Here is one of the 15 tomato plants we have in containers. These are the sweet potato slips that were recently planted. There is a whole playlist on how to grow sweet potatoes. And this is the bok choy that I've used in many stir fries as well as soup. Well, that was just a quick update to how the garden is progressing. Please like, share, and subscribe.